I proudly present Royal Agrifirm Group's CSR Report 2020. Despite COVID-19, we were able to support the development and implementation of resource-efficient and circular solutions. We are proud to inform you that the greenhouse gas emissions of our own operations reduced with 50% by the actions of our operational excellence team and the purchase of green electricity partly produced by our own farmers. A responsible food chain for future generations is our vision, which we globally implement. This is illustrated by our activities in China, where we were awarded by the Chinese government for our antibiotics-free animal husbandry solutions. In Latin America, we reduced the use of plastics. In Poland, we have been working on a poultry concept with reduced greenhouse gas emission by using regional raw materials. In Middle East and Africa, we focus on improving animal health. And in the Netherlands, we are strongly engaged in developing new crop protection strategies. As a founding partner of the Deltaplan Biodiversity, we foster practical implementations. Responsible sourcing is a major subject in the company. 70% of our raw materials is purchased in a responsible manner. We have a long way to go to achieve 100%, but we will walk this road. And this is just a part of everything we are doing. You can read all this and much more in our new CSR report. I'm looking forward to your feedback.